wanna be there when the voices in your head are loud enough to make you lose your mind. Just the same when you're dominating the day. I wanna be the one who's by your side.
So I got a rain jacket, and I also got this bag because everyone tells me it's really expensive.
I got a new wallet because mine's falling apart.
Nice.
Gang, gang.
Be the one to let you choose. Wanna hold you close but never hold you back, just like the banks to the river. And if you ever feel like you are not enough, I'm gonna break off.
We are driving through the rain, and we're gonna go to Walmart and get pineapples, a fan, and a tarp, and then go make tacos.
Yes, tacos!
And
We can put pineapple in them tacos. That's
Yeah.
good too.
then we're gonna sleep and wake up and go yakking.
Wanna be there when the darkness closes in, to make the truth a little clearer. Wanna hold you close but never hold you back. I'll be the banks for your river. Every turn, who am I to take control of that? Everybody needs a voice they can follow when the water and the winds get bad. You know my love is not the jealous type, and it don't matter if we win or lose. Well, I can push or I can pull, no matter what you're trying to do, as long as I can flow along with you. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back.
What are you cooking?
I got a little nervous there. For 6 months, this is how Colorado's gonna be.
Wanna be there when the darkness closes in, to make the truth a little clearer. I wanna hold you close but never hold you back. I'll be the banks for your river.
Wait, this is so tan.
Do I really? It's been great. It's been very nice outside. There was some rain, but that wasn't a bad thing. And the food was really good. Thanks to Shelby and Michelle, I guess, too, a little bit. No, I'm not gonna survive the night. I've sealed my. Well, maybe I will. Hold on.
I'm tucking myself so tightly.
I might survive
into
the
this
night.
Just
corner.
say goodbye to the camera already. Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Wanna hold you close but never hold you back, just like the banks to the river.